If English sounds too fast when native speakers talk,
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
this is why. You already know a lot of words, but native speakers pronounce them very differently. So today we're going to practice connected speech using shadowing, one of the fastest ways to sound fluent in English. Don't just listen, repeat everything out loud with me, and stay till the end because the last technique is a real game changer. Buckle up, you're in for a ride. And the first technique, the flap T, or the secret D sound. This is one of the biggest differences between textbook English and real spoken American English. The T between vowels sounds more like a soft D. Now listen closely. Water, water. Better, better. City, city. Hear that? That instantly sounds more natural and more American. Now repeat after me. Water, water. I need a bottle of water. I need a bottle of water. Not, I need a bottle of water. Bottle of water. Sorry. Better. Better. I bought a better one yesterday. I bought a better one yesterday. City. City. The city is really beautiful. The city is really beautiful. Nice job if you're keeping up. Let's move on. Guys, don't forget to repeat after me. Little, little, little. He's a little tired today. He's a little tired today. And what about this pretty or pretty word? So, pretty, pretty, pretty. It was a pretty good movie. It was a pretty good movie. It was a pretty good movie. Next we have party, party, party. That party was amazing. Oof, that party was amazing. Guys, remember, this is not something you master in one lesson. Pause, unwind, and repeat. Practice makes perfect. Great, we have 3 more left. Let's practice later. 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 I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Meeting, meeting, meeting. We're having a meeting now. We're having a meeting now. And the last one here. Waiting, waiting, waiting. She's waiting for you outside. She's waiting for you outside. Let's repeat everything one more time. Water, water. Better, better. City, city. Little, little. Pretty, pretty. Party, party. Later, later. Meeting, meeting. Waiting, waiting. And we forgot about the bottle. So, bottle, bottle. Now let's check. How would a native say this? I was waiting in the city with a little bottle of water before the meeting started. Sounds British. Very British. Well, in American real spoken English, it sounds like I was waiting in the city with a little bottle of water before the meeting started. Okay, one more time. I was waiting in the city with a little bottle of water before the meeting started. Can you say it faster? I was waiting in the city with a little bottle of water before the meeting started. Ha. Okay, one more. The party in the city was pretty good, but the water bottle was a little expensive. How about The party in the city was pretty good, but the water bottle was a little expensive. One more time. The party in the city was pretty good, but the water bottle was a little expensive. Let's move on to the second technique or trick. Drop in sounds. Drop in sounds. Okay, now let's make your English sound even smoother. Native speakers love drop-in sounds. Well, because pronouncing every sound clearly actually sounds unnatural in fast English. Listen closely. Best friend, lost night, last night. Just one. That's exactly how native speakers connect words. Now it's your turn. Best friend. She's my best friend. She's my best friend. She's my best friend. Last night. I saw him last night. Just one. Give me just 1 minute. Keep going, you're doing great. Let's look at a few more. How about most common? It sounds like most common. Like, that's the most common mistake. You can check out one of the most common pronunciation mistakes in this video. Alright, we already had just one. Now we're having first time. It sounds like first time. It's my first time here. Stand by. Let's just stand by and wait. And finally, how sounds drop even inside words. For example, friendship sounds like friendship. For example, their friendship is really strong. And finally, grandma. For example, I'm visiting my grandma this weekend. Best friend. Last night. Just one. Most common. First time. Stand by. Friendship. Grandma. And the final trick for today, real native blending. Alright, this is where English starts sounding fast, when native speakers blend sounds together. And once you train this, native speech becomes much easier to follow. Just listen. Did you? What do you? What am? And don't you? Guys, many of you ask me for help with English. Some want to join my lessons, others are curious about my courses. Now I'm excited to offer my monthly plan to help you reach B1 level. The plan includes 8 lessons, 40-50 minutes each, twice a week, covering all the skills: listening, reading, writing, and most importantly, speaking. Everything is organized by topic with clear step-by-step instructions. No wasted time searching for materials, just click the link and complete the tasks. Done with the first month, you can move on to the next. Scan the QR code, or follow the link in the description. Grab your plan for the first month and watch your English improve every day. Now that's real spoken English. Let's do it one more time. Let's do it. Did you? Did you? Did you see that? Your English is already sounding better. Next, what am? What am? What do you think about this idea? What do you think about this idea? So fast, so natural, so fluent. And don't you? Don't you? Don't you know that already? Don't you know that already? Great, let's look at a few more. Do you? Do you? Do ya? Do ya? Do you like learning English with me? Do you like learning English with me? Let me know in the comments. What are you? Whatcha? Whatcha? What you doing right now? What you doing right now? Again in the comments. Could you? Could ya? Could ya? Could you help me for a second? Or even better, could you help me for a sec? Would you? Would ya? Would ya? Would you come with me? Would you come with me? Amazing. You are doing just amazing. We have only 2 left. And the next one is, aren't you? Aren't you? Aren't you? Aren't you tired after that? Aren't you tired after that? And the last one, have you? Have ya? Have ya? Have you seen this before? Have you seen this before? And the final recap. Did you? Did ya? Do you? Do ya? What are you? Whatcha? Whatcha? What do you? What'ya? Don't you? Don'tcha? Could you? Coulda? Would you? Woulda? Aren't you? Aren'tcha? Have you? Have ya? Now you know why it's so hard to understand your favorite TV show in the original. So make sure to watch this video again. Pause, rewind, and practice these phrases every day. And if you want more videos like this, check out part 1 and my other listen and repeat lessons. See you in the next one.